mechanic. Today we're doing a wee bit of routine maintenance. Should have been really keeping on top of this. I haven't looked at this thing in ages. I'm sure I took gloves out of it. Oh, was it fucking Milwaukee for you. Ah, oh, fucking shite sockets. That's not even on right. Oh. See them sockets? Shite. He's forked on the shoulder, eh? What size is it? $2.15, $50, $17. That tire's fucked. That's illegal, eh? It's burnt itself out in the shoulder, eh?
Oh.
Aye. Totally illegal. Goes right through the canvas. Straight through the canvas. Do me a favour. See in the boot of the car. There's a big lever. Do you want to get it for me?
Look at this.
Excuse me. Hello, folks. Well, let's have a look underneath this thing. Tires through the canvas here. So, the orange lever, that's through the canvas, so tracking's well out. A bit of oil about it. There's always a bit of oil about these things. And then from a samp, it's always from that intercooler pipe.
The spring not broken.
No. But other than that, it's not that bad. I've seen worse. I don't want to try and... I probably can't see much because I'm trying to leave it in here like that. You want to hold that for me? Because I've got... Hold it on one hand. No, there's no noise off that. There's no noise of it, so I don't know whether you can see it in here. I don't know if that bush is gone. That's a new one as far as I remember. I think that's a new one too, but no, I don't know if it is actually. That freaking anti-roll bar link might be away. Oh, that one might be away. They're fairly new. But wait a minute.
Oh.
I don't know, actually. Yeah, that's alright. This should be alright. Good new ones on it.
Yeah.
Just go on it a second.
Eh?
Just go on it a second. Just shake the steering wheel. Shake the lock on the steering. Just shake the lock on the steering. Just, it's not locked. Put the key in the ignition. Just shake the 3-play. You might have to put the steering lock off. Just put the key in the ignition. Pull the wheel as you're putting the key in. It doesn't matter. Now just shake the 3-play. I'll do. Just keep shaking. I'll do. Just stop you there a second. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I had to stop you there for a wee while. Right. Up ferrule, I'm going to have to clean that. Bit of cow. Mac. I'm just checking the brakes. Alright. There's it. Because I had a problem before with the pad bouncing about on the other side. That was a common problem with them wearing out.
That?
No.
What's it called?
It's just spray grease. I replaced them. The wire brush. And at the door there's a thing, a brake cleaner. You know, the wee spray of brake cleaner. That was a new subframe in there. I'll probably paint that. The shock absorber is not the best. But that was a new drop link. And that's fucked. See? That rubber bush there is completely away. I'm a bit worried about that Other one too, this one, been away as well because it don't look that great. The roads up here are pretty harsh. I'm just wiping dirt off. I mean, look, she's been pretty harsh, right? I sprayed all that a couple of years back, and all it's come back. Eh? What? What, at the door? Give me 2 seconds and I'll be right back with you guys. Leave that up there. Once. Oh, I hate that when it comes out in lumps. That's just a bit of grease. It's already been done. There's a new brake pipe on it. And that's just to stop the shock. And that was done already as well. A whole lot was done when the spring was off at last. Chocolates, rubber, getting a bit fucked. Bump stop on it. They're getting down now, but they're not that bad yet. They're not that bad. Fucking you. It was done, it was me that did it. This is all fucking cracking, but you wouldn't think that was a fucking kid. It's fucking fucked. It is though. Last year. And we fucking see the rubber's away in it. It's that bush down here I'm looking at. It's definitely away. It's more than 1 point. It's more left than that. Oh! Well, I'm finished with it. I need one of them. It'll be tight enough, like. It seems to be tight enough.
Yeah.
Could just be the car. Oh, the brakes are getting. They are getting worn, like.
Hmm?
They are getting worn. So it might just be the brakes. It's making that rattle. Oh, it's up here. The bushes are alright. I did think. I did think. Look at them. Not last year, year before. So, but anyway, folks, I'm obviously going to have to get a new tyre. We'll get 2 tyres for the front of it. So, we'll bring you back and there'll be a wee bit more Audi work. Probably have to go down and check the other side. At least I know for just now that this side's alright. We'll get a new drop link on that side. We'll do that when the tyres off. I'll film it maybe. I'll see if we've got time. We'll get it in anyway. So leave us a like and all that good stuff. If you want to know anything about the Audi, buds, Audi now coming on for 5 years. The first year, I can't mind if I had it on the road the first year. I think I put it on the road after Rona, after the Rona virus.
Yeah, because you couldn't go anywhere.
So I had the Passat before that. Because I had a Passat at the same time as I had this.
You had to fix.
I've done about 10,000 miles in ownership of it. It's had 2 oil changes in that 10,000 miles. It's had a cam belt water pump. Initially it had a subframe. I was just tidying up bits of paint there where obviously it was a bit neglected. Obviously the whole car needs a wash. But I can't do anything until I get the tyres sorted out. I'm going to get tyres sorted out tomorrow. So I'll get new tyres on it then. And I'll just take it from there. So like I say, mind leave us a like. Thanks very much.